Okay, another equation we are going to see is how to solve such equations. I'm going to do this, then you try out that in your free time. Now, these are very easy equations. These are also equations leading to quadratic equations. They handle them with shortest way possible, in the shortest way possible. So, what we do is, whenever you see this is positive, this is negative, as long as the whole numbers, the numbers are the same, but the difference is just the sign, is your first task is always to create either this negative or this positive. Any. That's always better, we make this one positive. There we are going to use the property of indices that when we take this one down, this one becomes a positive. So now our property, we are going to use that if we have a power negative n, it's the same as 1 over a power a positive. I'm going to use this property to make this one a positive, so that this power is exactly the same as this. That's the first thing you do. So now this one is going to be now, and on this only, it's going to be now into 1 over x 2 over 3, the whole equaling to 17. So now I've applied this property here because this power is only on this. I've applied this property there, like you can ably see it there. Now from there, I can say this one, maybe for it to say it properly, plus now 16 over x power 2 over 3 equaling to 17. Now we have identified that there is something common, is that this one is common here and here. Whenever you see that there is something common, you always let. So let now my x 2 over 3 be equaling to a b. Now where there is this, I'm going to substitute a b. So this one becomes plus equaling to 17. Multiply through by a b. You don't need to write this by b. So by b here you have b squared plus 16 equals to 17b. Now take everything to the left. We shall be having now b squared plus 16 equals to 0. Arranging, when I take this sign changes to a negative. This one is there. So it's that I form that quadratic equation. Two numbers I multiply, I get 16. When I add, I get 17. Those numbers are clear. I have b, I have a 1, and then I have a 16. When you simplify that, if that is hard, you can use a bulldozer method to get those roots, but I'm using the factorization method. So my b is 16. But what was my b? I come back here. My b was, when now my b is 1, it means that now my x 2 over 3 is going to be equaling to 1. My x is going to be, how we handle this is by saying 2 over 3. To remove this, you multiply by the reciprocal of the power. So this would be 3 over 2 equal to both sides, 1 also, 3 over 2. You see this one is going to give us x equaling to 1. Now when I come to when my b is 16, so I have now equaling 16. To remove this, I multiply by the reciprocal of this. So I have now x. The reciprocal of the power becomes 3 over 2 equal to 16, then 3 over 2. You see this will give us, this will go, this will also go. I have now my x equaling to, we know that 16 is the same as 4 power 2. Okay, this is the same as 4 power 2 to 3 over 2. This 2 will go, so I have 4 power 3, that gives me 64, I think. So therefore, my x values are 64,1. With ease. That's how we handle those ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you the best. Please visit the playlist.